will see the random forest algorithm. But before that, we will see what is meant by the machine learning and what are the types of the machine learning. So here we see machine learning. Machine learning is an application. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems ability to learn and improve from their past experience which are being without explicitly programmed. This is called the machine learning. Here we see the machine learning or types of the machine learning. There are three types of the machine learning. In that machine learning, first one is the supervised machine learning, that is supervised learning. Second one is the unsupervised learning. And third one is the reinforcement learning. Here are the three types of learning. We will see these types in detail. See the types of machine learning. First one is the supervised learning. Here supervised learning have labeled data. Here we given this is an apple or this is an orange. This apple or orange gives to the model, and model learns from the data. And gives an correct output, that is this is an apple or an orange. Whenever we give an unknown data, whenever we give an unknown fruit to the model gives the final decision, that is the fruit is correct name with this is an apple or this is an orange. Next, in the unsupervised learning, we don't have labeled data, that is we have unlabeled data. In that, model recognize the patterns and groups these patterns into the different groups. Here, like that, we have given a basket containing fruits, that is the 3 apples and 2 oranges are given. This basket gives model recognize that patterns and gives the correct output, that is the basket containing 3 apples and 2 oranges. We come to our main topic, that is the random forest algorithm. In that random forest algorithm, this algorithm is based on or works on the supervised learning. Supervised learning means it works on only labeled data. Meaning in its name, that is the random forest mainly based on decision trees, or it is a combination of decision trees. Forest, like in forest we have many trees, or a forest containing many trees, that is like that. Random forest is the all combination of all decision trees. In that, decision tree is like our similar basic tree structure, like that. Our tree structure, basic tree structure, it is called the root node. Root node means where from node begins, or where from our tree begins. This is branches. It is called the intermediate node. And the final output or final decision is called the leaf node. Root node gets again splitted into intermediate node, and intermediate again splitted into the leaf node, that is the final node is called the leaf node, and graph from where graph begins, it is called the root node. let us consider through an example. Here we given the data set of fruits and we given shape, taste and color of the fruits. From that we have to predict which fruit it is. Here 30 samples, data set containing the 30 samples, and these 30 samples we classify in the 3 decision trees, that is the one decision tree containing 10 samples each. Like that 3 decision tree are containing 30 samples. In that one decision tree we classify or we gives color, shape and taste. In that, like that, all decision trees are splitted into the color, shape and taste, and again it is splitted whether the fruit containing red color or yellow color. Like that, all trees are splitted and it goes to the random forest. That is, the random forest is the combination of all decision trees. It goes to the random forest and random forest gives the correct output, that is the majority containing here we given majority containing 2 apples, majority containing 2 apples and 1 orange. Therefore random forest gives the final decision, that is the 2 apples are there, or that fruit is an apple. We take one more example, that is the Rohit has to play cricket. He has to play cricket, or he decides whether has to play cricket or not. Whether depends on the weather condition. Here weather is our root node, or from where graph begins. Here weather conditions, whether that day containing weather is the rainy, cloudy or sunny weather. Weather, or it may containing rainy season, so that day containing humidity or stormy environment there. It may be stormy environment. Stormy gets splitted into again high or normal, or strong wind or weak wind. Stormy may be strong or weak. It day containing high or strong storm, so Rohit will not play a cricket. It day containing weak storm, so it will play a cricket. Whether that containing cloudy environment, so Rohit have to play, or Rohit will play a cricket. Next, it may be containing sunny day. That day again we consider the humidity of that day. Whether the humidity is high or normal. That day containing, whether that day containing humidity high, so Rohit will not play a cricket, and if there is humidity is normal, then cricket. Here is the playing cricket, whether we have to decide from the graph or from the decision trees. This is the example of random forest.